We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive and expert-driven overview of the samisoler Desk Fidget Kinetic Toy. This compact gadget measures approximately 1.5 inches and is crafted from high-quality aluminum metal, machined with precision by CNC technology. Its design features a helix groove milled across the entire surface, which creates a captivating full-body optical illusion when spun by hand. The spinning effect can last up to 180 seconds, offering a mesmerizing visual experience that many users find relaxing and hypnotic. This toy is primarily intended for creators, makers, thinkers, or anyone seeking to maintain focus, relieve stress, or simply relax during work or study hours. The build quality of this kinetic desk toy is frequently praised. Users report that the aluminum construction feels sturdy and durable, with a satisfying weight and smooth spinning action. The precision machining ensures that the toy spins effortlessly and consistently, which enhances the optical illusion effect. The surface finish is matte rather than glossy, which some users appreciate for its tactile feel, though it can attract dust and debris more easily than a glossy surface. Overall, the craftsmanship is considered excellent for a desk accessory in this price range. Many users have highlighted the calming and aesthetically pleasing nature of the spinning illusion. It is described as both a stress relief tool and a source of quiet entertainment, making it a popular choice for office desks, home workspaces, and classrooms. The toy's ability to hold attention and provide a brief mental break is valued by people who need to refocus or reduce anxiety during busy days. Some customers have even noted that it serves as a conversation starter or fun distraction for students and colleagues. The toy's size and portability are additional advantages. Its compact dimensions make it easy to carry or place on any desk without taking up much space. The weight is enough to keep it stable during spinning, but not so heavy as to be cumbersome. The product is available in multiple colors, with some users commenting on the vibrancy and attractiveness of the finishes. However, there are mentions that the pink color appears darker in person than in pictures, which may be a consideration for those seeking a specific aesthetic. Customer feedback also reveals that the toy makes a thoughtful and unique gift. Several reviewers purchased multiple units as Christmas gifts and were pleasantly surprised by how well they were received. The hypnotic optical illusion and smooth spinning action make it a distinctive present for adults, teens, and children alike. It is especially appreciated by individuals who enjoy gadgets, desk toys, or stress relief items. While the vast majority of reviews are positive, there are some minor criticisms. A few users initially experienced issues with the toy not spinning as advertised. However, the manufacturer's customer service was responsive and resolved these problems by sending replacements, which reflects well on the brand's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. The price point is considered slightly high by some buyers, but most agree that the quality and design justify the cost. Another noteworthy aspect is the toy's interaction with pets. Some users have reported that cats enjoy playing with the spinning orb, which provides them with exercise and entertainment. This unexpected benefit adds to the toy's versatility and appeal. In summary, the samisoler Desk Fidget Kinetic Toy is a well-made, visually captivating gadget that serves as both a stress relief tool and a decorative desk accessory. Its smooth spinning action, durable aluminum construction, and unique optical illusion effect make it stand out in the category of executive desk toys. It is suitable for a wide audience, including professionals, students, and gadget enthusiasts. The product's ability to combine functionality with aesthetic appeal results in a satisfying user experience. If you own this toy, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to the product is in the description and using it supports the channel.